Today we're going to be focusing on stem plants. They are the easiest of the bunch to propagate. You literally don't need anything to propagate stem plants, so let me show you how to do that. Now, if you already know what kinds of plants are in your tank, this will make it super easy. But to identify stem plants, they have a long stem in the middle and plants grow off of the stem. Another example, those are some cardinal plants back there. This is guppy grass. You can see it gets super long and spindly, but again, long stem in the middle and leaves grow off of. A little sneaky stem plant is Starogine repens. These are super short, super compact plants, but they are stem plants. They're kind of hard to propagate if you don't get a lot of vertical growth with them. But again, they're stem plants. They're just a little sneaky because they're super short. All right, little underwhelming, but we're at our propagation station. So stem plants, super crazy easy to propagate. You don't even have to look for roots or anything. Sometimes plants will shoot off roots from the little segments that they make. If you look hard enough at them, you can see like the little segments. And sometimes they shoot off roots, sometimes they don't. It really doesn't matter. But for stem plants, you can literally just break it in half, just like that. Or if you want to be a little bit more delicate, you can use some aquarium scissors that are clean and trim them in half. And all you're going to do is just plant these in the substrate. Any part you cut of this is the bottom of that other stem plant, but any part of a stem plant that you cut, if you just stick back into the substrate, it will grow back. Stem plants are super cool because it's like an infinite, plant source. So you can literally spend maybe $10 on a pack of one stem plants, and over time, you can grow a whole army of your own stem plants. So let me show you how to plant these back into the tank. All right, so the first plant, this is the bottom half of the trimming we just took. We're just going to plant this right back in. Again, you just kind of stick it down in the substrate. I have some dirt at the bottom of mine too. This is a dirted tank. And then this is the other half of the plant that we just cut. That's the top half of this plant. Again, you just literally stick it in the substrate and it'll grow. Not all plants are the same as stem plants though. And that's why I'm going to make all these other videos so that I can show you how to plant these plants.